I got a stitch fix, stitch fix, stitch fix. Stay tuned. Thank you for joining me today. If you're new here, take just a moment to subscribe to my channel, especially if you love clothing boxes. But even if you don't, I've got lots of fun content for you. And if you're a regular viewer here, thank you so much. You could be doing anything with your time and you're watching me. It means everything to me. Tell me in the comments what time it is you're watching this video. We've got everything from a couple of early birds watching about 6:30, and we've got a couple of late midnighters watching about 12 to 1. 12 to 1. I'm always up at 12 to 1, girl. So yeah, I know just how that is. I like to know what time you're watching it. I have a Stitch Fix clothing box for you today. If you're new to clothing boxes, they're really super fun. I'm going to leave the link for this clothing box for you below. You can get a free box if you use my link. Even if you thought, why would I do that? Why would I want to? Because they're fun. It's fun for someone else to buy the clothes for you and you just try them on at home. You don't have to keep anything. You're not going to be billed for anything. You're going to get the free box. You get to try on the clothes. It's a win-win. You send everything back. It doesn't cost you a dime if you do that. And then if you want to continue, it'll start costing you $20 a month to get the shipment. But if you buy anything, you're going to get that $20 back. So then it actually makes it free as long as you're buying something. And if you buy everything, you get a 25% discount off of everything. So it's a really good deal if you do that. Let's read the letter from my stylist. Hi, Michelle. I'm so excited to be styling you again, and I'm sorry none of the pieces worked out for your last fix. For this round, I began with sending you these cut from the cloth boyfriend jeans that have a nice fit and are a client favorite. I hope you love them too. Half tuck this tinsel button down into these jeans and these peep toe booties from DV8 that I know you mentioned wanting. You can also throw on this pink Clover cowl neck knit for a more casual option. Pink Clover. I know that's the name, but wouldn't it be nice if it was also pink? And of course, top off any of these outfits by layering them with this olive anorak jacket from 41 Hawthorn. This just might be your go-to this season. Do you have any upcoming trips or events? Enjoy trying on all these goodies and let me know if you have your eye on anything for your next fix. Chelsea. All right, Chelsea. I'm gonna love these booties. These are delightful. Aren't these amazing? Oh my goodness, I've wanted open-toed booties for so long, and these are absolute perfection. Ooh, they're soft on the bottom, they're furry. These are $94. Maybe I don't let them quite $94, but we'll see. Cowl neck sweater with a little tie there. You know, I don't love sweaters. I don't like long sleeve sweaters, but this, I don't know, this is pretty lightweight. I don't know how I'm going to feel about the cowl neck, but I will definitely give it a try. This is pretty much in my closet in every color, except I don't have this color, and yeah, pretty much love it. These sleeves are so easy to roll up, they just button. And usually they're wide enough that I can just push them up. I like my sleeves to go right about here. I can just push them up. And it looks like it's longer in the back than in the front. And I really always like that a lot. Look how cute this is. Oh my goodness, this is ridiculously cute. She was right. I'm gonna love it. I'm gonna love it. Look at this. But hold on. Oh, Echo, what's the temperature right now?
Right now, it's 72 degrees. Tonight, expect a low of 67 degrees.
That's winter here. It's fall, spring. So I'm not sure how often I would be wearing this when it's 72 degrees. And the jeans, they look kind of baggy and not very stretchy, so they're actual jeans. What I do like is that they're petite. One thing I love about Stitch Fix is that I can get petite sizes, especially in pants because I have dwarf legs. What did you think? Really and truly, every time I get one of these clothing boxes, the first thing I want to do is come on here and record this for you so you can tell me what I should keep, because I have no style, none. I don't know, I have several daughters who have really good style, and it just kind of skipped me somehow. So tell me what you like. Tell me what I should keep. I hope you like the booties because the booties are magnificent. I'm keeping the booties. I think I've got to keep the booties, right? I've got to keep the booties. Thank you so much for joining me today. Don't forget to subscribe. You don't want to miss any of the fun we've got planned and coming up. Got tons of other videos, makeup, skincare, hair, nails. We talk about migraines a lot. We've got a lot of migraines. You won't want to miss any of that. It's so fun here. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you soon.